In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate an unlocked phone on T-Mobile. Whether you're switching carriers or just got a new device, this process is straightforward and quick. First, it's essential to ensure your phone is compatible with the T-Mobile network. This step is crucial because not all unlocked phones work on every carrier, so check the specifications or contact T-Mobile support if you're uncertain. Also, make sure you have an activated T-Mobile Nano SIM card ready to go. Without an active SIM card, your phone won't connect to the network. Once you've confirmed compatibility and have your SIM card, the first step is to turn off your unlocked phone. Powering down your device is necessary to safely insert the SIM card and ensure it reads properly without causing any issues. Next, take the T-Mobile Nano SIM card and insert it into the SIM tray of your device. Locate the SIM tray, which is usually on the side of your phone, and use the SIM ejector tool or a small paper clip to open it. Place the SIM card in the tray, making sure the metal contacts face downwards and align with the tray. Gently push the tray back into the phone until it clicks into place. After inserting the SIM card, go ahead and turn your phone back on. Press the power button and wait for it to boot up fully. This process might take a minute or two, so be patient. Now, wait a few moments for the device to connect to the T-Mobile network. You'll typically see the network bars appear at the top of your screen, indicating signal strength. If your phone displays a T-Mobile logo or the name under network settings, that's a good sign that it's connecting properly. Once your phone is connected to the network, it's time to verify that everything is working as it should. Make a quick test call to a friend or family member. It's a simple yet effective way to confirm that your phone can send and receive calls. Alternatively, you can check your mobile data by opening a browser or an app that requires internet access. If everything loads smoothly, congratulations, your phone is successfully activated on T-Mobile. And that's how you activate an unlocked phone on T-Mobile. It's a simple process that ensures you can enjoy T-Mobile's services on your preferred device. If you encounter any issues, remember that T-Mobile customer service is always there to help troubleshoot any problems that might arise. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly activated phone.